Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 2 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Training. So total question is 4. We move to the main project step is step number 1. So step number 1 is use the auto sum feature to enter the sum B8 to B12 in cell B16. Calculate the total value of the houses bought. So in cell B16, so type the B16, press enter, type is equal to and type the sum function. So type the sum function and the range is B8 to B12 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use the AutoSum arrow on the formula tabs to enter the average B8 to B12 in cell B17. Calculate the average value of the house's cost. So in cell B17 and press enter. So select the range, type is equal to and type the average function. Type the average function and range is B8 to B12 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is use the insert a function to command to the left of the formula bar to search for a median function and use the function arguments dialog box to select the ranges B8 to B12 to enter the median and B8 to B12 B18 calculate the median value of the horse cost. So in cell B18 select the cell is B18, select the cell is B18 and type is equal to and insert the search box is median function and use the function arguments dialog box to select the range B8 to B12 to enter the median B8 to B12 to cell B18 calculate the median value of the house cost. So type is equal to and select the range B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Sorry, insert the median function and use the function is B8 to B12 and cell B18 type is equal to type the median function and the range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the AutoSum arrow on the formula tab to enter the minimum B8 to B12 in cell B19. Identify the lowest costing house in cell B19. So type the B19, press enter and type is equal to type the minimum function. Type the minimum function and range is B8 to B12. So type the range B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Next is use the AutoSum arrow on the formula tabs to enter is equal to max B8 to B12 in cell B20. Identify the highest costing house in cell B20 and press enter and go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the AutoSum. Use the AutoSum arrow on the formula tab. Enter the max B8 to B12 in cell B20 to identify the highest costing house. So type is equal to and type the max function and range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Next is on the detail sheets In a cell B21, enter the count function using the range B8 to B12 in the function arguments. So on the detailed worksheets, in cell B21, type is equal to and type the count function. So type the count function and count function using the range B8 to B12. So B8 to B12 and close bracket and press enter. Next is type the value in cell B. B9, note the function calculated automatically updated in cell B9. Select the B9 and type the 425 and press enter. So question number 4 is complete and assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignment. Click OK. Submit the assignment and check the scores. So check the score is Excel chapter 2 simulation training is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam.